Sunday, August the 11th, 1968. The very last train to operate on standard gauge track, hauled by a British Railways steam locomotive. It ran from Liverpool to Carlisle and back, over the Pennines.
Watching the trains go out, watching the trains go out. I'm such a wild sort of devil-may-care, worse than the tops up in Leicester Square, wearing my hat on the side, standing there ruined, no doubt. You can ask all the guards, it's not women or cards, it's the watching the trains go out.
Why are we all so excited by steam? Boy's young passion, an old man's dream. Steam, steam, beautiful steam.